Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. I'll be showcasing this Raceline wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the Raceline Style RT951M. They're in the size 17.9, -12, 8x170, 130 is the center bore. Load rating on this wheel is 3,650 pounds. The color is machined. Whenever you shop for this wheel, this is the part number, guys. RT951M. 79081-12. It'll take you straight to this wheel. I'll open this wheel up. Let me know in the comments below if there's another Raceline wheel that you want me to showcase, and I will do it for you. So this is a real B-lock wheel, guys. So if you're going off-road, this is the way to go. So remember, these aren't DOT compliant, so you got to make sure whoever's installing it knows how to torque them down and put them on correctly. So here you go. Let me take it out of the wheel box and showcase it for you. So here you have it. The Raceline 951 in a bead lock. Full machined, 8-lug, 8x170 with a -12 offset. They do come with a cap to go with it, which is just a regular black center cap. Here, I'll put it in for you so that way you guys can see it. And it goes like so. You don't need to use the center cap if you have like 4x4 locking hubs, but there you go. And then you have your V-lock ring that goes around it. Here, I'll showcase it. So this is it. So your ring. So whenever you put your tire on, you put your rim, you pinch your tire, and there you go, V-lock. So looks really nice. Full machine ring that goes around it with the screws inside your box. This will look great with any off-road vehicle. If you guys are looking for a V-lock wheel, check out Raceline, check out this 951, and feel free to give us a call. Thank you.